English. Today we are learn about Mystery Island. Okay children, do you know island children? Do you know what is the island? So children, an island is a place where surrounding with water. Okay, called island. Okay children. And also which is hidden island, secret place. Okay, mystery island. Okay children, have you ever seen an island? Children, tell me, have you ever seen island like Andaman Deep, Lakshadweep island? Okay, you have ever seen island? No. Here, how can you reach an island? Children, tell me, how can you reach an island? So children, by boat or ship. Ship will be your answer. Okay, by boat or ship will be your answer, right? Okay, well, these are the most common vehicles we know that run on water. There are others too. Here are some more. So children, here given. So what are they? Yacht, speedboat, submarine, kayak, canoe, hovercraft, dinghy, seaplane. Okay, these are the water transport. So children, island, a place surrounded by water. Okay children, a place surrounded by water. This is a place. This is a place. So children, surrounded by water, it is island. Okay, so these are the water transports. We know that the vehicle which goes into space is generally called a spaceship. Similarly, the one that travels on water is called a watercraft. Okay, so children, this is watercraft. In general, traveling on water might seem interesting to some people and it might be scary to some others by the way. Fear of huge water bodies is called aquaphobia. So children, a vehicle that travel on water craft. So children, you can see this picture. Also, it is a watercraft. Okay, so children, we know that vehicle which goes into space generally called a spaceship. Similarly, the one that travel on water is called watercraft. Okay, aquaphobia means, aqua means water, phobia means fear. Okay children, so children, who is fear of traveling in the water in the ship is a aquaphobia. Okay, speaking about islands and watercrafts, here is an interesting story that occurred once in a far away land. Okay children, so children, let us know interesting story. Okay, Sam, Nani and Rami were the most active members of the science club in their school. They made a unique watercraft for a project. The test mission was going on. They were watching the gauges in the dashboard. Their Teacher was busy entering things in the log. The watercraft was performing well and the students were very happy with its success. Okay children? So children, characters of the story. 3 characters given. Here, see this 3 characters. So names Sam, Nani and Rami. So children, they are active members in the school. They are made unique watercraft project. And also the students were very happy, which is success.